Did you know that a lion, the so-called king of the jungle, has the smallest heart compared to all other predators? It's true. The heart of a lion accounts for a mere 0.5% of its body weight. In contrast, the human heart makes up about 0.8% of our body weight. It's a surprising fact, considering the lion's reputation as a fierce and powerful creature. So, the next time you think of a lion, remember it has a surprisingly small heart. Contrary to popular belief, bats are not blind. In fact, their vision is quite decent, although not as sharp as that of humans. But here's the fascinating part. Bats use a combination of vision and echolocation, a kind of natural sonar, to navigate their way around and hunt down their prey. This ability to see using sound is so effective that it sparked the enduring myth of bats being blind. So, it turns out bats aren't blind after all. Imagine sleeping with one eye open. That's the life of a dolphin. These marine creatures have a fascinating way of catching their Z's. They literally sleep with one eye open and keep one part of their brain active. This isn't just for the fun of it. Dolphins need to breathe consciously, and this unique sleep style allows them to keep an eye on their surroundings and come up for air when needed. Truly remarkable, isn't it? So, dolphins can literally sleep with one eye open. Snakes don't have external ears, but they can still hear. Now, isn't that fascinating? They pick up on sound in a unique way, through vibrations in the ground. These vibrations are received by their jaws, which are in direct contact with the earth. The jawbone then transmits these vibrations to the inner ear, where they are translated into sounds. So, while they may lack the typical ears we're accustomed to, snakes have their own clever adaptation to sense their surroundings. So, snakes can hear, but not in the way you might think. Tree frogs are more than just great jumpers, they're great gliders too. Equipped with leathery wings, these fascinating creatures can effortlessly glide from tree to tree. Now imagine a Wallace's tree frog. It doesn't merely hop or jump, but takes a daring leap into the air and soars, yes, soars, up to 70 meters. It's not flying, it's gliding, using the air beneath its wings to navigate through the canopy. So, tree frogs can glide, making them the daredevils of the frog world. Queen ants can live up to 30 years, outliving their worker counterparts by decades. This longevity is quite astounding when you compare it to the short-lived existence of worker ants, who only survive for a few months. The queen ant has the crucial role of laying eggs and guarding the colony, ensuring its survival and growth. Her long life allows her to produce thousands, if not millions, of offspring. So, the queen ant truly is the matriarch of her colony. Horses can sleep while standing up thanks to a special mechanism in their legs. Amazing, isn't it? This mechanism is known as the stay apparatus. It allows horses to lock their knees and rest without collapsing. This extraordinary adaptation is particularly useful for prey animals like horses, allowing them to make a quick getaway if a predator approaches while they're snoozing. So the next time you see a horse standing still, it might just be catching some Z's. Beetles play a major role in our economy even if we don't realize it. These tiny creatures are nature's diligent workers, aiding in the pollination of plants essential for our food production. But their job doesn't stop there. Beetles also assist in breaking down organic matter, a crucial process for maintaining soil health. This decomposition process enriches the soil, making it more fertile, which in turn supports the growth of crops and other vegetation. So beetles are more than just bugs, they're tiny economic powerhouses. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. This unique ability stems from their remarkable wing structure. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds have wings that can rotate a full 180 degrees. This extraordinary range of motion allows them not just to fly backwards, but also to hover in midair, and even to fly upside down. Their wings are an incredible example of nature's engineering prowess, enabling them to perform aerial feats that no other bird can replicate. So, hummingbirds truly are one of a kind in the bird world. From the smallest hearts to unique flying abilities, animals truly are full of surprises. We've journeyed from the plains of Africa with lions to the depths of the ocean with dolphins, soared with bats and hummingbirds, and even explored the underground world of ants. We've seen how creatures like horses and tree frogs adapt to their environments in the most peculiar ways, and how even tiny beetles can have a massive impact. So the next time you look at an animal, remember, they're full of surprises.